the past 10 years, our research group has delved into the relationship between spatial and service design through a series of educational and research activities, leading to a reflection on the connections between these two disciplinary areas. The interdependence between the two is strong, although they are often not designed jointly as they could be. In some cases, services later find a special dimension, while in others, the opposite occurs. Only in rare cases, the design of services and the spaces in which they emerge are designed together. One aspect that has been investigated relates to the tools and methods across the two fields, aiming at creating a bridge. User journey is one of them, where the actions described may occur in a space, often physical, sometimes designed and conceived together with the service. In these cases, the user journey lends itself to accommodate more information about spatial characteristics, thus becoming a spatial user journey, a new tool designed specifically to represent this relationship between spaces and services. The goal of the spatial user journey is to give relevance to the specific spatial context where the actions happen. This context is represented through a 3D visualizations, giving a shape to the journey itself. These visualizations allow the designer to define space characteristics, hosting or enabling the service. The spatial user journey could be supported by 3D maquettes to better define the volumes, the interaction between users and spaces, and by giving evidences to touch points. Let's now move to prototyping, a tool widely used in product design that we are now declining to spaces and services. Prototyping is here used as experimentation for design ideas, as a tool for co-design, as a test to gather feedbacks, and as a way to explore the unexpected. Prototyping serves as a tool to touch the project features by moving from paper-computer to real interactions and experiences.
In the Temporary and Inclusive Urban Solutions elective course of the master degrees at the School of Design of the Politecnico di Milano, we use three different dimensions of prototyping: spatial dimension, service experience activity dimension, and virtual dimension. The spatial prototype represents a one-to-one scale project with rough and recycled materials, mainly aimed at having a tangible space in a real scale. The service prototype focuses on the user experience and simulates an activities and interaction focusing mainly on the relationship created between the user and the service itself. Prototyping through virtual reality uses three-dimensional images through a visor, which let the user dive deep into the spatial dimension of the project. This three dimension of prototyping intrinsically bring out the relationship between spaces and services. There is no space without the experience of the services, and there is no service without the experience of a space. At Polimi Desis Lab, we used to organize prototyping events where visitors are invited to live an immersive experience. This allows the designers to get comments and feedback to better define the final output. The idea of organizing a prototyping event in the project space open to the broader public has been the basis of the Temporary Urban Solution course for years. Il Sabato della Bovisa was not only a prototyping event of a university course, but also a way to open the campus of the Politecnico in Bovisa to the residents of the neighborhood and the city. Coltivando the community garden at the Politecnico di Milano, the 9x9 in Bovisasca Association Garden, Bolegge, the University Book Crossing, and many other small significant initiatives have been established by these events. In parallel with these experiments, in recent years, in the final studio of the PSSD degree course, another aspect of prototyping has been investigated, which is more performative. Thanks to professional theater actors' involvement, students could stage their design ideas. Using improvisation technique, the actors could explore the undesigned side of the project to let emerge weaknesses or criticalities to be better defined. Prototyping is also crucial in various research projects we have conducted recently. By simulating the project in both spatial and performative terms, we can involve the users participating in the design process and a broader audience in experiencing potential design solution in a specific context. Experimenting with possible design scenarios hands-on makes it easier for the less designer user to imagine different futures.